Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you evening snack recipe, that is bonda soup. Today I am going to prepare it in restaurant style. Please watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing one evening snack recipe, that is bonda soup. For that I have taken urad dal. Today I have taken around 3/4 cup of urad dal. I am transferring it to a bowl. And it's afternoon. I am going to wash this and I will soak it in water. And evening I will show what to do with this urad dal. For preparing soup I have taken moong dal. Today I am using around half cup of moong dal. Based on the quantity how much you are preparing, you can use the moong dal. Now I am dry roasting moong dal. Until it changes to little golden brown in color, we need to dry roast this. If it is roasted this much, it's enough. It's slightly changed to golden brown in color, and also you will feel the aroma of moong dal. Now I will switch off the stove and I will wash the moong dal. Now I have taken a cooker and I am adding the roasted and washed moong dal along with water. I will pressure cook this. For half cup of moong dal, I have added 1.5 cup of water. Now I am adding little turmeric powder. Now I am adding one chopped tomato. Now I am adding around 1 to 2 drops of oil. Now I have added little curry leaves. Now I am adding chopped green chilies. You can slit it or you can finely chop this. Now I will pressure cook this. I will switch off the stove after 2 whistles. Now I have taken here one pan. I am adding oil. Now I am preparing soup. You can use it as dal for rice, chapati, dosa, puri and all. If you want soup, you can add water and you can adjust the consistency. Now for oil, I am adding mustard, jeera, now I am adding one chopped onion. Now I am adding little curry leaf. I am adding little salt. I am adding 2 sliced green chilies. As I have used green chilies for cooking moong dal, you can check the spicy how much you want and you can add the green chilies. Now I am adding around half spoon of crushed ginger and garlic. Now I am adding hing. Little turmeric powder. We have to fry this in such a way that raw smell of ginger garlic should not be there. Now here you can see I have cooked moong dal, tomato, green chilies, curry leaf along with little turmeric powder. Now I am going to transfer the cooked moong dal to this pan. You can see if it is in this consistency, you can use it as dal for rice, chapati, dosa, puri, for whichever you want. For preparing soup, we need to add little water and we need to adjust the consistency. It must be little thin. Now I will allow it to boil. Now I am adding salt. Add salt as per your taste. Now I am adding fresh lime juice. As I am using this as soup today, I am adding water. You can add water as per the consistency which you require. Now I am adding coriander. I am adding very little sambar powder. You can see now it's boiling. Now my soup for bonda soup is ready. Now I switch off the stove. Now I am transferring the soaked moong dal to mixer jar. I have soaked it for around 2 hours. Now I will add little water. How much? If it is required, that much water I will add. And now I am going to make a fine paste of urad dal. You can see like this I have done the fine paste of urad dal. Now I am transferring it to a separate bowl. By adding water in very less quantity, we need to prepare the paste like this. Now I am adding little soda, that is cooking soda. Now I am adding rice flour, 1.5 spoons of rice flour. I will mix this. You can check the consistency and you can add the rice flour. Now I am adding jeera. I am adding crushed pepper. This is not pepper powder, just I have crushed it. I am adding pepper, around half spoon of pepper. I am adding hing. Now I will mix this. You can see the consistency also. See, it's like this. It's in this consistency. Salt I will add it later. I will show you later. Now after mixing this, I will allow it to rest for around 10 minutes and then I will show you the next procedure. Now I will allow it to rest. For this batter, I have added coriander. Now I will add salt. I am adding salt after resting it for 10 minutes. Now I mix this. Now batter for preparing bonda is ready. And you can see the consistency. It's not in running consistency, it's slightly thick. We need to prepare it in this consistency. Here oil is also heated. Now I am preparing bondas. Today I am preparing in medium size. Allow it to cook for around 1 minute and then you can flip it. After 1 minute you can flip it and you can fry this. Once it is cooked for around 60 to 70%, I will take this out and then again I am going to fry this so that we'll get crispy bondas. Now it's around 70% cooked. Now I am taking it to separate plate. Now again I am going to fry the bondas so that I will get crispy bondas. Second time, if you cook for around 1 minute, it's enough. You will get the crispy bondas. So you can see the golden color of bondas. Now I will take this. It's enough. Serving the bonda soup. For that I have taken bowl, and for that bowl first I am placing the prepared bondas. And now on that I am adding the prepared soup, moong dal soup. Now you can see evening snack recipe, that is bonda soup, is ready. Here I have kept the bonda separately to show. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.